Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students and my dear teachers. How are you feeling today? I wish you'll be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class that is in English for grade 5. And as you know that we are learning unit number 5 and its title is Festivals in Pakistan. Yes, my dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given below. You may click it, download it, or you can adjust it for your ease. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Our today's lecture, lecture number 4, we will learn how we can predict a topic and our contents through topic and pictures. And we will cover a page number 35 and 36. So my dear teachers and my dear students, already you know that before in English for grade 3, we have already learned that how we can predict some more that occur in text by looking at the picture and title. In unit number 7 already we have learned that how we can predict a topic and a title. I hope you remember it. If you may not, so you can watch this video lecture again. So today we are going to get more about it. So our today's student learning outcome is use pre-reading strategies to predict the content of the text from topic pictures. So pre-reading strategies means before starting reading, we have to get about the lesson, about the unit, about the text, that which type of text we are going to read. Okay, so are you ready for it? Good job. So yes, my dear teachers and my dear students, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Al-Quran, verse number 3 to 5, read, and the Lord is most bountiful. He who taught the use of the pen taught man that which he knew not. Okay, my dear teachers and my dear students, this beautiful verse. So can you memorize that? Which verse is that? Yes, this is the first verse of Al-Quran that was revealed on our beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. This is the first verse of Al-Quran, and in this verse, which order is being given to him by Allah Almighty? Yes, read. Read, and the Lord is most bountiful. Okay, read that Allah Almighty has given power that how we can use pen. Okay, this all knowledge that everything is being given to us, it's blessing of Almighty Allah. This beautiful verse is telling us about the importance of reading Al-Quran. So how we can read and in which way we have to read, and if we will read, we will get recitation of Holy Quran every day whenever we have time. So how much blessings of Almighty Allah we will get, even we can't imagine. Okay, so promise that to your teacher, pledge that you have to recite the Holy Quran every day whenever you have time. It's not that fixed when you have to read it. If you will read it in early morning in prayer time, so it will be a most like features and blessings for us. So let's see. We are going, pre-reading questions are there. What do you know about the festivals in Pakistan? What do you know about the festivals in Pakistan? We are celebrating festivals, my dear students. So name any festival that you have remembered. So name it to your teacher. Excellent, good. I hope you have remembered because we are celebrating festivals. Okay. Can you tell about a recent or memorable festival you celebrated with your family? So can you remember that recent means few days before, few months before you have celebrated any festival with your family? If you have celebrated, so tell its name to your teacher. Excellent job. Good. I hope you are also fond of celebrations and festivals. Good. Okay, let's see. We are going to start. Open your book, page number 36. We are going to start our lesson and its first paragraph is there. So have you opened? Good. So now we are going to start. The celebration of an event is called a festival. The festivals reflects the culture and civilization of a country or a region. In Pakistan, various festivals are celebrated throughout the year. Some festivals are of national level. Okay, so this This is the opening sentence of our text, my dear students, and this text is telling us about festivals, that how festivals are there. These festivals are called the civilization of a country or a region. Okay, and in Pakistan, in our country, because our country is Pakistan, various festivals are being celebrated in whole year. Some of them are on national level and some of them are on local level. National level mean in whole country same festival is being celebrated. Okay, next is, what does the word celebrate mean? To do something special or enjoyable for an important event. Okay, this is the meaning of celebrate. Next is culture. The ideas, customs, and social behavior of a particular people or society. There was a word that we have read in our text, my dear students, culture. So this is the meaning of the word culture. So what is culture? Customs, traditions that are being followed by a particular people and particular society. So that is called culture. What is civilization? The society, culture, and way of life of a particular area. So before that is culture, that people are society, ideas, customs, traditions, and all these things are called civilization. That how we are spending our life, which type of culture we have. So this is called civilization. Got it? There is a question for you related these lines, my dear students. What is the importance of festivals for a society or a country? So yes, what do you think? Which type of importance these festivals have in a country or a region? We have got in these lines also. Good, excellent, good. I hope you have found from these lines that which type of importance festival or society of a country has. Good. So next, Muslims believe in the oneness of Almighty Allah. They remember Him on every event of life. Some of the religious festivals of the Muslims are Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Azha. Yes, my dear students. Oh, I hope you have got now that which type of discussion we are going to do. Yes, as a Muslim, we believe on the oneness of Almighty Allah. Already we know that as a Muslim, it's our firm belief that Allah is one and only. Okay, even in Surah Ikhlas, we can read that, we can admit and we can confess the oneness of Almighty Allah. So already in Pakistan, what we are as a Muslim, we are celebrating two Muslims festivals. Okay, Islamic festivals, religious festivals. These are Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Azha, and both are Eids, and we are celebrating. See there is a question for you. List down the religious festivals in Pakistan. Okay, so in Pakistan, how many religious festivals are being celebrated? Now even I have mentioned. Good job, excellent. Oh, because yeah, you have got Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Azha. Good, excellent students. So next, see, what is Eid al-Fitr? Eid al-Fitr is celebrated with great religious spirit. This Eid is celebrated on first day of Shawwal at the end of Ramzan. People cook delicious meals and share gifts at this Eid. Money is given as fitrana to the poor. Children receive Eid from their elders. Oh, so this paragraph is telling us about Eid al-Fitr. So which type of Eid that is and when we are celebrating this Eid? This day is celebrated on the first day of Shawwal and at the end of Ramzan. So you know, my dear students, this Eid is a gift from Almighty Allah toward Muslims when after whole Ramzan we are keeping fast, we are busy in our religious activities and we are just like born to Allah Almighty. So this is the beautiful gift for us from Almighty Allah. So what we do? We cook delicious meals, share gifts, and why this Eid is called Eid al-Fitr? Because on this Eid we are giving fitrana to the poor people. That's why it is named as Eid al-Fitr. So have you got, my dear students? Good. So what you do, children? So what you do? See, children receive Eid from their elders. Oh, you are also receiving Eid? Good. So next we will also discuss that who have got much Eid. Okay. So this is a beautiful gift for all over the world for the Muslims, because this is a beautiful gift for us. Thanks Allah Almighty. See their next word. What is Eid al-Azha? Eid al-Azha is also called as Bakra Eid. It is celebrated on 10th of Zulhajj, the 12th month of the Islamic calendar. This Eid reminds the sacrifice made by Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam. Okay, so this is another religious festival for us, my dear students. As a Muslim, we are also celebrating, and which is this? Yes, this is Eid al-Azha, and this Eid is also called Eid-e-Qurba, and this is Eid is also called Bakra Eid also. And when we are celebrating this Eid is being celebrated on 10th Zulhajj, and this is the last month of Islamic calendar. Okay, and why we are celebrating this Eid? Yes, my dear students, this Eid reminds us about the sacrifice of Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam. So do you know that which is sacrifice? And this whole, my dear students, you will get that from your Islamiyat teacher, that you will get that he or she will give you hints about and that complete occasion, that how it happened and why we are following this Eid, and the reminder of Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam. Okay, so then you will get. Okay, excellent job. Now you have got, and it's time to move towards an activity. So let's perform an activity. Yes, my dear teacher, what you have to do? Get students into pairs, give them tasks to read out the first 2 paragraphs of the text carefully. Underline the difficult words and discuss their meaning with your teacher. So what you have to do? You have to do that text I have taught you. 3 paragraphs I have taught you, my dear students. So that 3 paragraphs you have to read again. You have to underline difficult words, and these difficult words, their meanings, you have to discuss with your teacher. So pause the video, perform this activity in your class. I'm waiting for you. Welcome back, and excellent job. In this way, now you have got again, because again you have read carefully your text. Good job. There is a question for your individual activity on page number 37. In question number 1, answer the following questions. Question number A and B, you have to do it individually, and these 2 questions already I have highlighted during teaching, my dear students. So do this activity in your notebooks in your class. Excellent job. Good. Excellent. So what's our homework for today? Predict rest of the text and write 10 sentences about it in your notebooks. So as you know that half lecture we have completed. So next half lecture, half lesson is remaining. So you have to read out and you have to predict that what is in next lecture. Okay, what is going to happen in next lecture. This is your homework. My dear teacher, this worksheet link is given below. This worksheet link, you may click it and you have to provide it to your students in printed form, that we can judge that how they can predict a text through pre-reading strategies. So what we have learned today? Today we learned how we can predict the text using topics and pictures. And in this way we have covered up our SLO, use pre-reading strategies to predict the content of the text from topic and pictures. So yes, we have done with it. It's a great job, my dear students. In this lecture, we have completed our half lecture, half lesson. Tomorrow with a new lecture and a new lesson, next remaining we will inshallah read. So till that, you have to take care of yourself. Stay blessed. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.